Hello students. In the last video we talked about different kinds of instant messaging apps, the function of instant messaging apps, what are the prerequisites or what are the basically the initial setup required for instant messaging apps. So today we are going to discuss about creating an instant messaging account. In this exercise you will learn to create an instant messaging account for using Google Talk. Okay. Google Talk is an instant messaging service that provides both text and voice communication developed by Google Incorporation. Google Talk can also be used for making video calls and to view updates from Gmail mailbox. So basically Google Talk is one of the applications built by Google Incorporation, that is, as we know, Google, and what it does, it helps to provide both text and voice communication. It is also can be used for making video calls and to view updates from Gmail mailbox. Google Talks is a free and available as application based. We discussed earlier there are two types of instant messaging apps accounts applications. That is, one is web based, which uses the internet facility. One is application based, where you need to download the software on your system. So it is again a application based. So you download the software, you open it, and users need to download and install Google Talk application to their desktops, mobiles or laptops. And web based users can use Google Talk through a browser after signing into their Gmail account. So both of the facilities are available here, both web based as well as this application based. Before you start using Google Talk, a Gmail account is required. You have learned to create a Gmail account earlier. I guess you have already learned about how to create a Gmail account using your email ID, your password and everything, details. So now what you need to do is you need to download and install Google Talk application from www.google.com/talk prior to this exercise. So you download it, and to launch Google Talk, click Start, Programs, Google Talk, and then Google Talk. You can also double click on the Google Talk icon on the desktop if available, and you need to have a list of contacts that are available for chat. If you don't have any contacts, you can add the Gmail account to your contact list by sending an event. If you do not have a Gmail account already, you have to create a new Gmail account. Signing into your Google Talk account. To use Google Talk, you need to sign in with your Google account details. So what you can do is, the process is simple. You need to go to Start and then Programs and then Google Talk and then Google Talk. So Google Talk will launch, the application will launch itself, and here you can chat to all your contacts. If you don't have any contacts, you need to search the email. You need to have the email ID of the contact that you want to talk to. You need to send an invite, and when the invite is accepted, you can talk to him, you can chat to him or her over this application. And to use this Google Talk account, you need to log in first to your Gmail account using an ID and password, and then you can log in. So this was all about instant messaging apps. In the next session, we'll start with chatting with a contact. How to chat with a contact, what are the various this features, or how does it looks, the outlook of the application. Thank you.